Hey guys, let's see how to connect a TMY projector to an Android. Let's say you have a tablet or a phone with Android, like I have here, I have a tablet. Then I just need to come here to the main menu and look for this option, Miracast, right? I'm using the remote control here. Then I go there and I select Miracast. And here I have the instructions. Make sure you have everything connected. You have your Bluetooth enabled there, and then you can connect, okay? So basically here on the Android device again, you come to settings. Doesn't matter if you have a phone or a tablet, you come to settings and you look for these options, this option connected device. It may be different for your Android device depending on the OS that you have. So here, connected devices, you see Smart View. When you click here, it's going to look for the projector. Here you can see that I found it. Sometimes it takes a while to find it. When it finds it, just click here and it starts connecting, right? And just be patient here. And there we go. You see that's connected back there. And then here, when I use my tablet, I can just see it there, right? So it's working pretty fine. Let me just select something here, like YouTube, for example. There we go. I can play something there. And then here it's playing and it's mirrored there, right? Let me just do this. Let's see if it changes there. It changes. Then it works pretty fine, okay? So that's the way you can have your TMY projector connected to an Android device. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.